Welcome back to the tip of the week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie, your host, and I have been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina, and I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. Social media is a skill. This means that it's something you can learn and something that you can improve upon. I 100% believe that anyone can learn this skill and use it to successfully grow their business. Age, background, experience, doesn't matter. Anyone can learn it. What does matter, and it's the big tip this week, is finding a way to have fun with your social media. Now, this doesn't mean you have to dance or do goofy jokes. It just means approach it with a positive, enthusiastic attitude. Social media is social, and you need to behave as you would in any social situation. Basically, don't be the sourpuss at the party. If you treat it as a chore, something you dread or even hate, you will not be showing up in a way that helps you create engaging content, and you will not see the results. You'll not be attracting anyone that wants to work with you or find out more about you. People can sense your feelings even through a digital platform, even through stagnant content. They may or may not even know it on a conscious level. They may just feel some kind of aversion and not want to get closer. Even me, I've made certain videos and reels on days when I just wasn't feeling it. I was annoyed, tired, unmotivated, and I noticed that their performance, the content I created on those days, was very underwhelming compared with days where I was energetic, maybe recorded 3 videos in one day, and then decided to space them out for the week. So the main takeaway is this: find something you love that you can do consistently for social media. Something maybe you do all the time anyway. It could be answering frequently asked questions for clients. Maybe touring new inventory. Maybe you are the jokester and you want to make video memes, making fun of the industry or the market, anything you like. Maybe you give your own perspective during regular market updates. Or maybe you really love highlighting locations, activities, businesses, stuff local to your community. I'll stop because I could probably come up with hundreds of ideas right now. The possibilities are seriously endless, especially when you start tapping into the stuff that you truly enjoy and can have fun with. Just have some fun. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.